In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Steam error 208 step by step using simple methods that anyone can follow. This is a common issue that usually appears when downloading or updating games, and it can be really frustrating if you don't know what's causing it. The good news is, you can fix it pretty quickly with a few straightforward steps. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is completely close Steam. And I don't just mean clicking the X button, because Steam often keeps running in the background. To fully close it, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once you're there, look for any processes named steam.exe. You might see more than one. Right-click each one and click End Task to make sure Steam is fully shut down. Now that Steam is completely closed, go ahead and open it again. Once it launches, look at the top left corner and click on Steam, then go down to Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Downloads. In this section, you'll see an option called Clear Download Cache. Go ahead and click that. Steam will ask you to confirm and then restart. This step is important because corrupted cache of files are one of the most common causes of error 208. After Steam restarts, go back into Settings again, but this time click on Storage. Here, you want to make sure that your Steam library folder is properly set up and available. If the folder is missing or not accessible, that can also trigger this error. If needed, you can add or repair your library folder from this section. Next, head over to your library. Find the game that's giving you the error, right-click on it, and select Properties. From there, go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the game files and automatically fix anything that's missing or corrupted. This process might take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so just let it complete. Once that's done, the final step is to restart your computer. This helps clear any lingering system or network issues that might be interfering with Steam. After your PC restarts, open Steam again and try downloading or updating your game. In most cases, these steps will completely fix Steam error 208 and get everything working normally again. If you're still having issues, repeating the cache, clear, and verification steps usually does the trick. And that's it. You're all set. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.